Evaluating and investing in stablecoins. In this module, we will be discussing how to research and evaluate different stablecoin projects, as well as strategies for investing in stablecoins and managing risk. Research and evaluation of stablecoin projects. When evaluating stablecoin projects, it's important to consider a variety of factors, including the team behind the project, the technology used, the use case and market demand, and the stability of the coin. The team behind the project is an important factor to consider, as a strong team with a track record of success is more likely to deliver on their promises. For example, the team behind Tether USDT has a proven track record of success in the cryptocurrency space, which gives investors confidence in the project. Additionally, it's important to evaluate the team's experience, skills, and qualifications related to the stablecoin project. The technology used by the project should be evaluated to ensure that it is secure, scalable, and able to handle the demands of the market. For example, Ethereum-based stablecoins, such as DAI, are built on a blockchain that has been battle-tested and has a proven track record of security, scalability, and reliability. It's also important to evaluate the smart contract code and to look for any known vulnerabilities or potential security risks. The use case and market demand are also important factors to consider, as a stablecoin with a strong use case and high market demand is more likely to be successful. For example, Tether USDT is widely used as a medium of exchange on cryptocurrency exchanges, which gives it a strong use case and high market demand. Additionally, it's important to look at the stablecoin's adoption rate, network effects, and partnerships to evaluate its potential in the market. Lastly, it's important to consider the stability of the coin, which is typically achieved through collateralization or other price stabilization mechanisms. For example, Tether USDT is backed by an equivalent value of US dollars held in reserve, which helps to maintain its stability and value relative to the US dollar. Additionally, it's important to evaluate the transparency and auditing of the collateralization mechanism to ensure that it's effective. Strategies for investing in stablecoins and managing risk. When investing in stablecoins, it's important to have a clear investment strategy and to manage risk effectively. One strategy is to diversify your investments by holding a mix of different stablecoins, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. For example, you can diversify your stablecoin portfolio by holding a mix of different types of stablecoins, such as a fiat collateralized stablecoin like USD Coin, USDC, a crypto collateralized stablecoin like DAI, and a commodity-backed stablecoin like gold-backed stablecoin. This can help to spread the risk across different projects and to take advantage of the unique characteristics of each stablecoin. Additionally, it's important to have a clear understanding of the risks associated with the collateralization mechanisms used by the stablecoin. For example, Tether USDT is backed by an equivalent value of US dollars held in reserve, but if the reserve is not audited or if there are not enough assets to back the stablecoin, it can be less stable and also less trustworthy. In order to manage risk effectively, it's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence on the stablecoin project, including understanding the stability mechanism, evaluating the smart contract, and analyzing the team behind the project. It's also important to set stop losses at predetermined levels to limit potential losses in case of depegging, and to be aware of the regulatory environment and any potential legal risks. Highlights. 1. Research and evaluation of stablecoin projects. 2. Important factors to consider include the team behind the project, the technology used, the use case and market demand, and the stability of the coin. 3. The stability of the coin is achieved through collateralization or other price stabilization mechanisms. 4. Strategies for investing in stablecoins and managing risk. 5. Diversify your investments by holding a mix of different stablecoins. 6. Understand the risks of the stablecoin project before investing. 7. Conduct thorough research and due diligence on the stablecoin project, set stop losses at predetermined levels, and be aware of the regulatory environment and any potential legal risks. Asterisk crypto investment involves significant risks. Please proceed with caution. The course is not intended as investment advice. Asterisk the course is created by the author who has joined GateLearn. Any opinion shared by the author does not represent GateLearn.